All right, beautiful sun shining day today. It's pretty cold outside still, but the sun is shining, so we decided to get outside with some chalk. Okay, so some of your lower learners, you can put some word endings such as at and see if you can come up with as many words as possible with at. Okay, maybe you want to do different ones, come up with 4, bat, cat, fat, sat. You can put some blends in there, flat, splat, things like that. Maybe make a goal of 10, maybe make a goal who can come up with the most wins, something like that. Another simple one is op, mop, stop, flop. Okay, if you're going up a little bit in level or working with some of your older students, then you might want to do might, flight, right, sight. Okay, and then you can also go with different spellings that sound the same. So you could do sight and sight and talk about, well, what is the difference between the two spellings?
Dinosaur!
What is the difference between the two spellings of sight and sight? Put them in a sentence and talk about the difference. Okay, right and right. What would be the difference between those? Might and might. Okay, they have similar sounds, different spellings, and they have very different definitions. Okay, so spin that any way you want. You could obviously do it on paper as well, but it's a beautiful day, so maybe get outside with some chalk. All right, ready to show them your other part, Kai?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
I'm going to spray it.
Okay, don't trip.
I yelled that I was right, but you couldn't hear.
I couldn't hear you? Okay.
My sister. Hi, Sissy. Mom, I just finished college.
All right, okay. So another thing, I shared this already. I actually saw it from somewhere else, but I thought it was a really neat idea. So we have just the side of our deck here. Okay, you could also do it on the foundation of your house. You could also do it on the sidewalk or any kind of pavement you have. So what I did is I just made some letters down here. Okay, Kaya's going to show us how to use a spray bottle.
I'm coming slow. Careful on the chalkboard. Whoa, I'm so high. Woo!
All right, come on down. Grab the spray bottle, please.
Hi, and jump.
Okay, so you can use
Garbage.
a spray bottle. One of Kaya's favorite things in the world. Okay, and you could say, find the letter K. Okay, and then spray it up. Okay, so you could just do one. Her spray bottle doesn't have the greatest power to it, so it doesn't look like it's making it disappear, but she's just spraying it up. Okay, find the letter A.
Space.
All right,
The fan
find the letter X.
The fan doesn't work on it.
Yeah, the fan's not working. Need a new battery. All right, so a lot of different things you can do with this too. So you could just be identifying letters. You could do it with sounds too, identifying sounds, because that's a big important one, more so than the letters. And you could also do it with numbers, whether you are identifying numbers. You could do a whole bunch of numbers, and you could do addition. What is the sum of 2 and 3? What is the sum of 5 and 5? You could also do multiplication. What is 5 times 5? What is 5 times 1? What is 10 times 10? And spray those as well. So lots of different things you can do with that. Spelling words out, identifying letters, identifying sounds, and lots of math as well. Identifying numbers, adding, subtracting, multiplying, any of those things. So just a little fun to get outside in the sunshine today. Use some simple things you have. If you want to do this on another day where maybe the sun's not out, or if you don't have the chalk and things, we also did one earlier with letters with bingo dabbers. So there was numbers and things on the paper, and you can bingo dab on top of them, or paint them with pom-poms or cotton balls or something like that. Anything to make it a little bit more fun. Have a great day.